You ever wondered why some people become millionaires while others work just as hard, but never seem to get ahead? It isn't because they were born lucky. It isn't because they earn 10 times more than everyone else. And it certainly isn't because they discovered some secret investment hidden from the rest of the world. The truth is much simpler. Millionaires develop habits that gradually build wealth, while most people unknowingly develop habits that slowly destroy it. The amazing part is that these habits don't require a millionaire's income to begin. They only require consistency. To understand this, let's follow the lives of two friends, Alex and Brian. Both are 25 years old. Both graduate from university. Both land jobs at the same company, and both earn exactly the same salary. At first, their lives look almost identical. But over the next 15 years, one becomes financially independent, while the other continues living paycheck to paycheck. The difference isn't their salary, it's the habits they repeat every single day. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. On payday, Brian immediately starts paying bills: rent, utilities, subscriptions, shopping, dining out. Then he tells himself, "I'll save whatever is left." But by the end of the month, there's almost nothing left to save. Alex follows a completely different system. The moment his salary arrives, 20% automatically goes into savings and investments before he spends a single dollar. He treats saving like a mandatory bill, not an optional one. At first, it feels difficult, but after a few months, he adjusts his lifestyle to what remains. Years later, that simple habit has grown into a substantial investment portfolio. Millionaires don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. Habit 2. Live below your means.
A year later, both friends receive promotions.
Brian celebrates by upgrading almost everything. A bigger apartment, a newer car, the latest phone, designer clothes. His income increases, but so do his monthly expenses. Alex celebrates too. He buys a few things that genuinely improve his life. But instead of upgrading everything, he invests most of the extra income. Every raise strengthens his financial future, instead of simply increasing his lifestyle. Millionaires understand that earning more doesn't automatically make you wealthier. Keeping more does. Habit 3. Never stop learning. After work each evening, Brian spends hours scrolling social media, watching random videos, and consuming entertainment. Alex also relaxes, but he spends part of every day learning. He reads books about business, listens to podcasts, takes online courses, improves his professional skills. Every new skill makes him more valuable. Every book changes the way he thinks. 5 years later, Alex earns promotions and opportunities that Brian never receives. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Habit 4. Invest consistently. Many people believe investing requires perfect timing. Brian waits. He tells himself, "I'll invest when the market goes down. I'll start next year when I earn more." But those perfect conditions never arrive. Alex ignores the headlines. Every month he invests a fixed amount. Sometimes the market is up, sometimes it's down. He keeps investing anyway. Years pass. His consistency becomes more powerful than perfect timing. Millionaires know that time in the market is usually more valuable than trying to time the market.